pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not just say.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade. You're watching She's Slay TV. The name of this unit that I'm about to review is from the Outre collection, and the style name is Kristia. Sorry, I thought it was Christina. Kristia. And I have her in the color 1B. This unit was sent to me from Divatress.com. I will leave a link below in the description that will take you right to this unit, as well as other gorgeous units like this one that I'm wearing, which I did review, as well as it's from Divatress.com. So yes, they are the bomb. Now, as far as this unit, this is the stock card. There's a picture. And if you can see straight through, that's what they meant by WW. All the way back here, you see the combs in the front, as well as on the side and in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And then it comes sectioned off with these pins. Pretty much the way it's holding is because of the pins that's in it, and I guess and some scrunchies to hold it. So I'm about to pretty much cut the lace and throw it on. Okay, and we are back. So this is Kristia in the color 1B. Don't pay attention to that big box in the back. That's just a bunch of wigs. She's really full. She is really full. All I did was cut the lace off from ear to ear. Be careful when you're cutting the lace off, because the knots are really small. I like it because it helps it look natural in the front, but it's a pain in the butt to cut, because you don't want to cut past that, because then you're actually cutting something good off your wig. So it's really full. This unit is really full. If you're ever going to wear this unit in the center part, I feel like you have to use flat iron and at least flatten the middle area, because it's a little bulky up here. But that is a simple fix with just a flat iron. I've done it several times, so that's really not a deal breaker or anything when it comes down to this unit. So far, I have not gotten any tangling or shedding. Yeah, so far I've not gotten any. I was expecting some, especially at least tangling, but I guess not. This unit is not as long as I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like past my hips, but no, it's more like 26 inches. It's long, but not super long. It's more like 24, 26 inches. So it's really manageable. And I really do love the volume, love the light yaki texture, especially in this color. I didn't do anything with it, but please, if you want to, you can add some pressed powder or concealer. It's up to you. I think I'm going to go ahead and try it in the side part real quick. Okay, and we're back. So my opinion, out of all 4 units that I reviewed today, I love this one the most because it's long, but not that long. It's really manageable. It looks like human hair. Like, it's really soft. It's really full. I love that the parting options are actually pretty good, because I did not shift this wig. I used the side part that it has. And I didn't have to pluck anything. I just went ahead and added my concealer to the part. It don't have really thick baby hairs, so it was really easy to manageable. However, I just want y'all to know that this wig fits pretty snug. It's not as stretchy as I thought it was gonna be, but it's not a deal breaker or anything, because it still feels pretty good. I feel secure, actually, because I don't wear combs or adjustable straps. Like, I don't really mess with all those things. I just throw on my wigs and go. So the fact that this fits pretty snug without feeling like it's squeezing my head, I like that a lot. So this hair is really good. I'll say that it's really good. And all you have to do is play with it just to see what is for you. You can go ahead and braid it. You can wear it in the center like how I was wearing it earlier. It's all up to you and what you decide to do with it. As far as me, I like this unit all the way. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it is really, really packed in there. This hair is full. So once again, I would like to thank Divatress.com for sending me this unit. Now I have my eye on this unit. Like, I'm trying not to go ham and get in every color. I'm really happy I got in this color because it really, really do look like human hair, and it feels just like human hair as well. So thank you once again for tuning in. Don't forget to check out my channel for more videos, and don't forget to check out Divatress.com for more lovely wigs.